everybody, welcome back. Here we have our battle box for the month. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so now here it is. Alright, so let's see what we have. So first up, this is the Mission 67. And then there's this coupon from Solo Stove. It's $20 off when you spend $200 or more, and $10 off when you spend $69 or more. Okay, so let's see. So first up we have the Grenade soap. It says Mavericks, a brawny fragrance of pure rawhide on a clear day, 100% made in the USA. Okay, and now we have the Southern Survival 100-foot long 7-strand reflective rope.
What would that be good for?
Probably like trying to tie something.
Camping out in the woods and use that to tie anchor your stake down so that way people don't trip up over it.
Yeah.
Or tied around trees and you're walking through the woods at night, you'll see the reflective stuff on there maybe.
Yeah.
Who knows?
So here it is.
You can see our little reflective stuff in there.
Yeah. And it says that it's a glow-in-the-dark with reflective. So
you want to go in the pantry? Let's walk over there to the pantry since there's no windows, and we can actually see if it glows in the dark.
All right. Oh wow.
Yeah, you can barely see it in the thing, but yeah, that's actually glowing in the dark.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. All right, let's go back in here. Doo-dee-doo.
Alright, so let me put this back in. Next up we have the Grenade Soap Company little bag thing. Let's see what's in here. So here it is.
What's in the pouch?
Looks like a microfiber towel.
Ooh, those are nice. You draw off with them out there while you're camping or hiking or whatever or something, and just hang it up. Let it hang off the back of your pack while you're walking around in the sun, and it dries out.
Yep, that's probably why it has the little things on there.
Yeah.
So it can just dry out in there. Seems like this is the last thing. It is the BattlTac Under Desk Holster, perfect for under a desk, table, chair, or counter, and you can put it in a cabinet door, inside a closet, or on a wall mount.
Nice.
Right, so let's see.
So you probably want to screw it to something that's actually real wood, not like drywall or something like that.
Yeah. Right, so here it is. I guess you put your pistol in here. It's
barrel goes down in there.
Elastic.
There you go.
And then I guess you just screw it in with these 4 screws. And there it is.
There you go.
And it also came with this BattlTac sticker.
Everybody loves stickers.
I do.
So what do you think?
I'd say it's pretty good.
I like it. I like the soap. It smells pretty decent.
Yeah.
I like the rope too.
My most
So
favorite
I can
one's
actually,
the
so we
soap.
can actually go back there and behind the house and tie pieces around the tree. And you're walking around at night in the woods and a flashlight. You can make like a little trail to follow.
Even whenever you go hunting.
Yeah, you can do that too when you go hunting.
Perfect for hunting.
So that way, yeah, it'd be easier to follow your trail. Well, most people use like GPSs or something nowadays anyway. So there you go.
Yep. So here is. Drop something.
Oh, that's the strap for the paracord, the rope stuff.
Yeah.
550 cord, paracord,
Shows the Southern Survival thing.
logo.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice. I like it.
Didn't you say that you actually watched the?
Yeah,
Thing on
we
Netflix?
binge watched the show. I watched the 2 seasons, I think it was, or whatever it was, in 2 days, 2 or 3 days.
Really?
Yep. It was awesome.
Wow. Alright, so this is.
But that was on Netflix, wasn't it?
I think, yeah.
Yeah, we got off of Netflix, right?
Yeah.
Because of some show they had on there that was very inappropriate. Anyway, we're not going to talk about that here. So, what do you think? You like this out of the rest of the ones, or what do you think?
I don't know. Honestly, to me, my favorite thing in here is the soap. Honestly,
Yeah.
but. Alright, so thanks for stopping by, and make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye.